Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Codeium, Cody, and Copilot. When comparing Codeium, Cody, and Microsoft Copilot, each tool offers distinct strengths. Codeium's Windsurf editor is an AI-powered IDE designed to boost developer productivity with features like coding writing and debugging. It offers real-time collaboration and context-aware suggestions integrating smoothly into workflows. While powerful, some users report occasional performance issues and a learning curve. It's best suited for developers looking for advanced AI features in coding. Cody, on the other hand, is an AI coding assistant that integrates with IDEs like Visual Studio Code and JetBrains. It provides context-aware code integration, debugging, and documentation features. It boosts productivity for complex projects but may have performance issues and a learning curve. It's best for developers working with large code bases. Meanwhile, Microsoft Copilot is an AI assistant integrated into Microsoft 365 apps like Word, Excel, and Outlook. It helps users draft content, analyze data, and automate tasks using GPT models. Copilot boosts productivity by streamlining repetitive work and providing intelligent suggestions. However, it may occasionally produce inaccurate results in more complex tasks. In my opinion, Microsoft Copilot is best for overall use. Codeium excels in speed, and Cody is great for personalized project assistance. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.